Alright, well today we are actually reviewing in regards to a Heritage security products. It's just kind of the lower end of the Heritage safes itself. It's not very complicated, but it's very, very simplistic here. Just basic weldings here in regards to the safe itself, but no big details here. So all the bolts here on this side are all activated by a single bar. It's controlled like so. So very, very simple. Today I'm actually going to be replacing my keypad. Problem with it is that the actual dome light up there wouldn't shut off here anymore, so I'm going to be going ahead and installing this here in a little bit. Well, we'll see how it turns out. Alright, so I was a cotton-headed ninny mug in here. Realized that I actually didn't need to take off this faceplate here at all. I don't really understand the main functions of said plate. All I know is that whenever this door moves over, this hole is parallel, or is available for that pin to drop down in. Maybe for security? I don't know. Anyways, so basically what happened is that as I was trying to install this here, I accidentally broke off part of the part of the plate here. It has a big plastic buffer here at the end. I accidentally broke that off, and this eventually came detached when I tried to pull this back out after pushing it in. So we're going to go ahead and hot glue it back here together real quick, just a little bit, just to keep it together, so that way we can get this done. So to replace these locks, it is very, 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 very simple. Literally all you need to do is get the new keypad. Let's see if I can do this with 2 hands. So eventually we're just going to go ahead and feed this all the way through here onto the other side, and we'll pull it back here in a second. See if I can position my camera real quick. Oh, no. So literally you just feed it through, comes out here through the other end. Take your keypad, go ahead and lock it on, push it down nice and firm. The benefit to replacing this kind of keypad is that the code itself is not stored in this little unit, so you can just go ahead and take it off and replace it with a new one. The code itself is actually stored inside this actual lock. So all we have to do is just go ahead and take this, push it in, it stays in, then I'll come over here and do this here. And it unlocks, and that's all there is to it. That simple. Literally takes about 5 minutes once you get this panel off. Just take off the old one, unplug it, plug in the new one, enter in the old code that you functioned with your old keypad that you had, and literally you're done. That's it.